Hello students, this is Manisha Tomar, and in this part, my dear student, in this session we will discuss another method to the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. Basically, we are discussing in starting aliphatic aldehydes and ketone. Our next method, that is method number 4, that is from Grignard reagents. From Grignard reagents. My dear students, before discussing the Grignard reagents, मैं आपको बता दें यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा Grignard reagents was discovered by Victor Grignard. For this discovery, he got the Nobel Prize. And this is a versatile organic reagent because it participate and react with all kinds of organic compounds. So it is called versatile organic compound. What is this? This is a RMGX. Here R is any alkyl or aryl group. Any alkyl or aryl group. X is any halogen atom. Any halogen atom. That may be chlorine, bromine or iodine. Chlorine, bromine or iodine. Here alkyl its general name is the alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide, and it is an organometallic compound. It is an organometallic compound. Organometallic compounds are those compounds which contains carbon metal direct bond. The compounds which contains direct bond between carbon and metal are called organometallic compounds. And in this session, we will discuss how can be synthesized aldehydes and ketones from the Grignard reagents. Here we will write here any cyanide or nitrile group. If we are taking here alkyl cyanide, then we find ketones. But before preparation of ketones, we have to discuss preparation of aldehyde. If hydrogen cyanide or hydrogen nitrile, this is hydrogen cyanide or hydrogen nitrile. Hydrogen cyanide react with RMGX, which is called Grignard reagent. It gives an intermediate that will be RCH double bond N. Means one pi bond break of this group. We find here negative part and carbon will be positive. In case of this, carbon acts as a negative part and Mg is a metal positive part. So we find an intermediate in which R, which is a negatively charged part, attached with the carbon, and the positive part which is magnesium halide. It goes to the negative part and form here MgX. This is an intermediate. Now we do the hydrolysis of this in the acidic medium. In hydrolysis, hydrogen is always electropositive and OH group is electronegative. And here when bond breaks from the here this bond will be break, this will be break, we find here C R C H as it, there is no change, double bond O, double bond O. This is called aldehyde, aldehyde, and ammonia N react with H molecules, ammonia is formed and byproduct release as a magnesium hydroxide halide. This is ammonia gas evolved and magnesium hydroxide halide is obtained. This is the reaction of hydrogen cyanide with Grignard reagent. Then we find the acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde. If we are taking the another example, that is R C triple bond N, any alkyl group with Grignard reagent. Here we are taking different to separate or to find the condition. This is alkyl cyanide. Here the intermediate will be the like that R C R dash double bond N dot MgX. On the hydrolysis like that, on the hydrolysis in the acidic medium, it gives R C double bond O R dash यानी कि कीटोन plus ammonia plus MgOH as a byproduct. So this is the method to the synthesis of aldehydes and ketones by the Grignard reagent. By the Grignard reagents. Next method will be from alkenes. From alkenes we will discuss first method, that is ozonolysis. When any alkene CH2 double bond CH2, this is a symmetrical alkene. This is a symmetrical alkene. React with ozone O3 molecule. We find here an addition product, that is CH2. This bond will break here from here and O and CH2. Sorry, O and O here. In this part, in aqueous medium, when zinc react with this, metal react with this, then zinc oxide will remove from the here, which this one oxide, and we find here HCHO. CH2O open form. HCHO, that means two molecules, one is this, one is this. This is called formaldehyde. When ethene react, means symmetrical ethene react with ozone, find a intermediate which is called ethylene ozonide. And this ethylene ozonide, when react with zinc in the aqueous medium, it gives zinc oxide and formaldehyde is formed. When unsymmetrical alkenes बोले तो CH3CH double bond CH2. This is propene. What's the name of it? This is propene or propylene. When it reacts with ozone molecule, it also gives CH3CH. Again this bond will be break and CH2O and O. Again the dissociation of this part will take place and we find two different types of aldehydes on reaction with zinc. First one is the one aldehyde is the acetaldehyde, and other will be the formaldehyde, HCHO. So in this method we find two types of aldehydes. One is the smaller molecule, other is the larger molecule when unsymmetrical alkene react with ozone molecule. Next method we will discuss that will be preparation of ketones from the alkenes. By the ozonolysis. If we are taking here another CH3, CH double bond CH and substituted methyl group present है इसमें CH3, its name will be 1 2 3 4 2 methyl but, 4 carbon is here, 2 ene. When this unsymmetrical alkene react with ozone molecule, it gives CH3, CH3, oxygen and oxygen. This is also oxygen here. So here we find one compound is this and other will be this. When react with zinc in aqueous medium, zinc oxide will be eliminated and acetaldehyde and acetone will find in this method. This is acetone or propanone and this is acetaldehyde. So from the first case, from the alkenes, when symmetrical ethene ozonolized, it gives formaldehyde, 2 molecules of formaldehyde. When propane, which is an unsymmetrical alkene, react with ozone, it gives acetaldehyde, 1 mole of acetaldehyde and 1 mole of formaldehyde. And when unsymmetrical alkene react with large ozone, it gives acetaldehyde as well as a ketone. So in this method we have discussed about the Grignard reagent and about the preparation of aldehydes and ketones from the alkenes. Next preparation method we will discuss in our next part. That will be last part for the preparation. So thank you so much. Watch my all the videos. If you have not subscribed my channel, you subscribe my channel. If you like these videos, just like and comment on the comment box. Thank you so much.